Welcome. Today I'm showing how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from PowerKey into your Realme 9 Pro Plus. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find here System Settings, this one. Here scroll down one more time and on the bottom we got Wake Google Assistant with PowerKey. Now this position is turn off this option. If we tap one more time, we activate this option. So let's try. Press and hold power key for half second. Oh, sorry, one more time. And here we got activate our Hey Google option. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.